In this video, I will show you how to make your Pinterest account public. So let's get started. First, open pinterest.com and log in to your account. Now click on Profile located at the top right side. Next, tap Edit Profile. On the left panel, tap Profile Visibility. On the right, you will find an option Search Privacy with Toggle button. At the moment, Search Privacy option is enabled. This hides the profile and boards from search engines. Simply turn off Search Privacy option and click Save button at the bottom. When you turn off Search Privacy option, your Pinterest profile and boards will be visible from search engines, making Pinterest account public. So that is how you can make your Pinterest account public. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.